So, hi everyone, this is Pratham Gupta in front of you. Today we have gathered here for doing a group discussion on the topic is our experience in Mission 8. Whatever we have learned, whatever we have experienced, that we are going to discuss on that. So, I would like to request Shubhangi, please give your introduction.
So hey everyone, this is me. Now I'm going to show you about our Mission 8 experience. So yes, but before going ahead, I want to make a introduction. So hey everyone, this is me. Myself, my name is Shubhangi Hire. Now I'm learning in 11th standard from Guru Nanak College. My ambition is to become IPS officer, so I want to become English confident in 18th October 2023. So I request to Abhishek please give your introduction.
So hello everyone, I am Abhishek Manish Dore and I am studying 7th standard and my school is Silver High School as well as I am student of 0 to English Academy.
So, I would like to start it. First of all, I am the new in this Mission 8. So, I don't have that much experience, but whatever I have experienced, that I would like to discuss. First thing is that I have experienced a new group that some students are gathered for doing some activities, for doing some, taking some experience on new things. Just like sir have given us a lot of experience, assignments to do, activities to do. First is that to make everyday video. This is new for me because at our time there was not any criteria of making videos. Only there was criteria for making assignments, fast and all activities. But this I have experienced something new. And second thing I have experienced that when there is a team, so there is a pressure also. When we are in team, then we get some pressure to finish our activities on time, to have some, to make some videos, to have a meeting with our teammates, team leaders, to listen them very carefully, to make our, follow our responsibilities very perfectly. So that I have experienced new. So this was my experience, and I think you all also have some experience. So let's hear about it.
So yes, experience that means Mission 7, Mission 5, 6. I participate in that also. But we were not means that much. We were not doing anything. Only one time we are making video, and after that not. So like this we was doing, but this time in Mission 8 we decide that yes, 21 days we will follow consistently, and that we follow, and that experience was very nice because now we got points also, and improvement also we got, and because of that all activities FLIU and fast, always we have to follow that. Means when we will follow that always, so we will get more benefit from that, and I got that. So that experience was very nice for me. Mission 8, and today was last day. Now it will be finished, and that experience I can say that was very nice. So yes, I request.
So my experience is that when I am coming in Mission 8, so Shyamji Dada taken active. So in that I see that how we cannot do anything, means video or not doing activity, not coming class. So how we feel that, and it's a very, because in one point is very important for our group, and that I see that, and in that I see that when we are doing that thing, how many confidence we get, how many things we get. So that's.
See, now we saw that all we three have some new experience of Mission 8. Some are having new experience of missions, all which were started from by sir. So this experience we have got, and we have learned something new. And also there all more activities are going to come, more missions are going to come, and definitely we are going to achieve it. And I think if we have not won till now, then we are going to win out that rest of the missions which are going to come. And this was our awesome video which we have learned something. I have learned something new from this all both, and also I am going to learn something new which I have not learned till now. So I would like to now stop our conversation here. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So guys, now as we discussed about our Mission 8 experience, so now I have thought to discuss about our Mission 9 planning. Whatever event we are going to do for Mission 9. First of all is there, I think about myself for showing our self better in Mission 9, we have to improve our subscribers also. Because by making only videos, by getting all points, I don't think that we are going on the right track, because train has two tracks. one track is going one, but that subscribers are not going ahead, then I don't think we are going to win. So that first of all, I would like to increase my subscribers for that. And second, as always, I would like to make all videos on time, before time, without any gap, without any mistake. So I think by following all these things, I can be something different in Mission 9, and I can achieve something that which I have not achieved in Mission 8. And if I say something more, then I would like to follow only sir. Whatever sir will say, we will do that. Whatever sir will, whenever sir will call us to in class for new activity, for new something mission or something election or something presentation, I am going to be there without any gap, without any mistake, because we are here for learning English. But we come for only writing English. We write every day. We write. Even I have filled my 2 books. But now I have thought to do also some presentation, to give some presentations, to give some presentation in elections also, parents meeting also, and in motivational session also. And this, my planning is there to improve myself better, more and more, and to be something different in Mission 9.
So yes, in Mission 9, yes, I had also did planning. That means before in Mission 8, I was doing activities regularly, but I was sending that late. Means today is that day, but means after that day I was sending that. So I will not do like this. I will send that video on time. Means on that day. So I am doing planning for that also, and also one thing that means before in Mission 8 I was following activities. I was doing study also, but they are completed. Means I want to go in the mission. I want to go in 7:30 o'clock that batch. In that I also want to learn some new things. Because these things we learn, we talk also now, but from that knowledge we can learn new things. We can get new knowledge. So I want to go in 7:30 o'clock that batch also. So I did planning for that also, and in Mission 9 I will give my best for that also. So yes, I request all this.
So my Mission 9 planning is that when I am coming in Mission 9, so that time I am not doing mistakes and coming, and every day I am coming in when our class is there, so I will come on time, and when I want to make videos, so in that I am make on that video also make on time, because so many times I am making video when I am coming to school, because my school is 7 to 1 p.m. So that when I am coming, so in that I am eating food and taking bath. So that time I will not make so many video. You can say video. So that, and when which activity I want to do, so that I will do, and that is my planning. And that also when my subscriber is so less, so when I am coming in Mission 9, so I will make my 200 subscribers. So thank you.
So as you both said, I think you said you were in Mission 4 and 5 6 also. So as I said, I am the new in Mission 8. So I want some experience. I want some knowledge of past missions, whatever was conducted by sir. What experience you have got from that missions? Whatever you have learned, would you like to explain us?
Yes. Miss, I was there. Miss, I participate also 2 or 3 missions. I participate there, but I was not doing activities. So we should, if we participate in any game, so we should follow all activities consistently. And our subscribers, as you said, that subscribers is so much important. So yes, subscribers is so much important for us also, because there, if we want to go on top, so we have to increase our subscribers also. And miss, now like this going, same was there also. Miss, there also sir was giving same activities. And yes, now before we have to go at the live, but sir said that now sir changed that pattern. So like that was there, and yes, like this experience over there. So yes.
So my experience is that in parents meeting, when I'm being coming in stage, so I'm fearing. But when I see that parents, so I'm so many fear I get. So that time I'm do one thing that I see on the camera. So in that I get that confident, like I'm making video. And yes, I want to tell about subscriber, because when I'm increasing my subscriber, so I don't know why again my subscriber coming down, and that's why.
So I think we have discussed a lot on the missions whichever was conducted, whichever are going to conduct, and we have some different ideas to follow that. And I think these are rest of the time we have achieved it, we have discussed it. Now I would like to stop it here.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much all for giving your time.